dead. He can't hurt you. He's a dead lizard. I'm not even sure. It actually might be a leaf. I don't know that it's a lizard. Maybe it's a leaf. Let's see. Yeah, it's just, whoops, it's just a leaf. What's that? It's not a lizard. It's not a lizard. No. Just a leaf. Yeah, it's a rock. Rock. What's she saying? Gee whiz. What's she doing? Oh, there, see the baby in the mirror, in the window? He's looking at himself in here. In the window. There's a baby. There's another baby and another mum-mum. Yeah. Yeah. What? You see a baby and a mum-mum too? I think you do.
Pee-pee.
Pee-pee? Oh, hold on.